sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues and other colleagues, Sri S. Jaishankar ji, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, General V.K. Singh ji, Sri Nityanand Rai ji, Sri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma ji, Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi ji, Sri Rameshwar Teli ji, Srimati Annapurna Devi ji, Dr. Subhash Sarkar ji, and Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 12 in today's revised list of business. Further, I lay the papers listed against the name of Sri Pankaj Chaudhary ji at item number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I rise to report that the Lok Sabha sitting held on the 10th of August 2021 passed 1. The Constitution 127th Amendment Bill 2021, the National Commission for Homeopathy Amendment Bill 2021, and the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Amendment Bill 2021. I lay a copy each of the said bills on the table.
Announcement. Honourable members, I have to inform that a supplementary list of business has been issued today regarding consideration and passing of the 1. Constitution 127th Amendment Bill 2021. 2nd. National Commission for Homeopathy Amendment Bill 2021. And 3rd. National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Amendment Bill 2021. The supplementary list has been uploaded on the Rajya Sabha website and the members portal. The bills have also been uploaded on the members portal. The members who wish to give amendments may do so by 1 p.m. today. Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee of External Affairs, Sri K.J. Alphonse.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 9th report of the Department related Parliament Standing Committee on External Affairs on India and international law, including its extradition treaties with foreign countries, asylum issues, international cybersecurity, and issues of financial crimes.
Thank you. Reports of the Committee of Public Accounts, Sri Bhuneswar Kalita.
Sir, I rise to lay the Hindi and English versions of the following reports of Committee on Public Accounts 2021 as listed against my name in today's list of business. The 30th report on failure to implement scheme objectives on disbursement of capital subsidy. 2. 40th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations of the committee contained in their 90th report, 16th Lok Sabha, on performance of special economic zones.
The statements of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources, Sri Harshavardhan Singh Dungarpur.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table the Hindi and English versions of the further action taken statements of the Standing Committee on Water Resources as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Thank you. The statements by Ministers, Srimati Smriti Jubi Irani.
Sir, I am rising to make a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 314th and 326th reports of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on HRD and Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports pertaining to the Ministry of Women and Child Development as per the direction of the Honourable Chairman, Rajya Sabha. The 314th action taken notes on the observations, recommendations have been sent to the committee office on the 7th of July 2020, 24th of July 2020, English and Hindi version respectively, and the 326th action taken notes on the observations, recommendations have been sent to the committee office on the 23rd July 2021 and 3rd August 2021, English and Hindi version respectively. The current status of implementation recommendations made by the committee is indicated in Annex 2 of my statement, which is placed on the table of the House. The House, sir, has kindly already given me enough time, and I would request, sir, through you, that the annexure may be considered as read.
Thank you. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Thank you, sir. With your kind permission, I make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations, observations contained in the 277th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demand for grants 2020 and 2021 pertaining to the Ministry of Culture. Second, the status of implementation of the recommendation observations contained in the 282nd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demand for grants 2020-21 pertaining to the Ministry of Culture. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel.
So, with your permission, I lay a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 156th report of the departmentally related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on Demand for Grants 2020-21, demand number 10, pertaining to the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 159th report of the departmentally related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on Demands for Grants 2021-22, demand number 10, pertaining to the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Thank you.
धन्यवाद. श्रीमती दर्शना विक्रम जरदोश.
Make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 18th report of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee pertaining to the Ministry of Textile.
श्रीमती अन्नपूर्णा देवी.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय। मैं राज्यसभा के अनुदेश 73A के अनुसरण में स्कूल शिक्षा और साक्षरता विभाग, शिक्षा मंत्रालय से संबंधित अनुदानों की मांग 2021-2022 के बारे में शिक्षा, महिला, बाल, युवा और खेल संबंधी स्थायी समिति की 323वीं रिपोर्ट में दी गई सिफारिशों की कार्यान्वयन स्थिति का विवरण सदन पटल पर रखती हूँ।
धन्यवाद. श्री अजय भट्ट.
आदरणीय सभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख अंकित रक्षा संबंधी स्थायी समिति की रक्षा मंत्रालय से संबंधित अनुदानों की मांगों के संबंध में वर्ष 2020-21 के 5वें प्रतिवेदन की मांग संख्या 18, 19, 20 व 21 में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति का विवरण हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण में मैं सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Motion for election to the Central Advisory Committee for the National Cadet Corps. Shri Ajay Bhatt to move a motion for election of one member